To reset the device to factory settings, you can use a paired expand control, a mouse connected to the USB port, or the reset button on the back of the device. To use the expand control to reset the device, make sure both devices are paired and both connected to power and internet. On the expand control, go into the settings. Then, select Device Settings from the list. Scroll down to find Debug Tools in the list and enter your admin password. You can now select Factory Reset from the list. Lastly, select OK on the pop-up to reset the device to factory settings. Please note, the device will boot up to default settings and you will need to repair the expand control to the Expand Vision 5. To factory reset the device without the expand control, you can connect a wireless mouse by plugging its dongle into a USB port on the device. Now simply click on Settings, go to Debug Tools and enter your admin password. Now select Factory Reset from the list to reset the device. Lastly, you can also use the Reset button on the back of the device. First, disconnect the device from the power supply. Next, use a pin to press and hold the Reset button. Finally, reconnect the power supply while still pressing the Reset button with a pin for 10 seconds. Once the device has been factory reset, it will boot up and the installation process will begin, which can be seen on the connected monitor or TV.